Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Moto G34 5G and locating the Photos or Gallery app. This is what organizes your images. Once done, tap the icon from the home screen or open the app drawer and find it alphabetically. Make sure the app has storage and media permissions, because without permission, albums won't appear. If prompted, grant access. This lets the app index photos stored on internal memory and SD card, so you can proceed to browse. Next, navigate inside the app. Tap Albums to see grouped folders or use Photos for a chronological feed. You can use the search bar to filter by date, place, or file name. This speeds finding a single shot. Once in Albums, scroll to view categories like camera, downloads, and screenshots. Pinch to zoom thumbnails if needed. If you don't see expected folders, make sure the SD card is mounted and Show Device Folders is enabled in Settings, because hidden folders won't display. To finish, open the album you want, tap an image to view, and use the top or bottom icons to share, edit, or delete. This completes common tasks. Make sure Show Device Folders remains enabled in Gallery settings so all sources appear. If an album is missing, restart the Photos app or toggle storage permission off and on. This forces a rescan. If problems persist, reboot the Moto G34 5G. Restarting often clears indexing glitches and restores missing galleries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.